Good morning, guys. I hope all is well with every single person that has logged on to my channel this morning. This is the Glades Garden Girl over here in Zone 10A, Florida. It is Tuesday, August 6th. It is about 7:15 a.m. in the morning. I am a little bit late because I wanted to come out earlier to check on my food forest that I have been working in for a few days now. We've been having a lot of rain for the past week, and I really and truly love that because I have been doing a lot of transplants, sowing of seeds to get my garden back on track. And yesterday, when I came out after sowing some corns and peas over in here, I realized that the chickens have been scratching in this area already. I don't know when this chicken chase is going to end, but I just feel like I don't have the energy to keep up with these chickens. So today I want to go over into my key and piece or key and walk or whatever what you want to call it, and I need to get some old rotten cane to see if I can cut them out, bring them back and add them in these barrels here. Oh, Lord have mercy. That is not the only thing I'm going to do today, guys. I also have another little project that I will be sharing with you as well. But before I do all of that, I just want to take the time and show you a little of what I have been doing in the fruit and food forest so far, because my motto for this year is growing more for 2024, and trust me, I don't believe I have been fulfilling that motto. Well, I was trying, but I was just neglecting a lot of things. But now I'm gonna have to get militant. You see me just up in a camouflage hat and shirt this morning. Yes, I have to get militant. So let me just flip the cameras now and show you a little bit of what I have been doing so far, and then I will just get into whatever I want to do. Okay? Alright, guys, so I had planned on taking out this area right here to replace it with some barrels, but after observing the entire area, I realized that this area is actually a good area for me to grow some sweet potatoes, something in it that runs on a vine, or even cucumbers, cantaloupe, watermelons. And then while those are growing from these boxes that I have downsized, they will just run over in here on the ground. So y'all remember that I had some fake green grass in here. I took them out because if I'm going to have vining plants running on the ground in here, I do not need a fake grass with the spikes to damage anything that will be growing over in here. I also took out the pineapples that I had in these barrels, and they are now in the ground back there because I am trying to utilize and maximize on every space that I have. Now, I had some halo oranges in these buckets right here. I managed to take out 4 of them, and I add them in some of the barrels on the other side that I will be showing you in a few minutes. And then this is the other side that I have downsized to grow sweet potatoes, Irish potato, whatever, as I just told you. Now these barrels, they are practically empty for right now. I have a apple plant growing in one of them right here, This is my moringa tree in a bucket that I will be taking out. This one is empty, and this is the my lime plant. So this lime plant do not have a permanent home yet, and after all it is in a container, so I can always take it out and move it, put it wherever I want to. Now this is where I now have the, no, let me back up first, guys. I need to back up and show you something. I need to back up. So this is what I am doing with the ground, because while I was working, this area was full of weeds. So I went up to the store yesterday and I grabbed me some cardboard that I'm laying down now, and I will be adding some in these little corners right here, because as you can see, there's still weeds growing out of those corners. See? And then I might eventually fill this area with some mulch, and I really didn't want to spend any more money on mulch, you know, because of what happened to me the last time with the mulch. It was full of what do you call those things? Oh, duck ants. Yeah. All right, now back to the yellow orange story. So I took them out, and they are now in these 4 barrels right here. And I also sowed some sugar snap peas and chickpeas, and I have a cucumber plant, and I also added this I don't even know what this trellis. Yeah, I think this is a type of chicken wire, you know, or mesh or something. I can always find a lot of stuff tucked away over here, guys. Yeah, so this is my, what you call that now, my hoarding heap, my garden hoarding heap. Anything I need, I just check out this little corner right here, and I can find a whole lot of things to work in my garden. And I also moved my back gate. So the reason why I have to move the back gate is because I wanted to have all of these barrels in order, so I could add my trellis right there. All right, so I am heading over to the cane piece now, guys, to get my cane. When it rains, it pours, storm clouds rise, and billows roll. Just seek Jesus, and if you do that, He'll bring sunshine. I'm so glad when it rains. So guys, it is some minutes after 11 a.m. in the morning, and I am a little bit peeved with myself because I keep using this Samsung Galaxy phone that I have for over 8 years now to do my recording. And every now and then, it just stopped working. But anyways, recently, I put in a very big SD card in the phone, I think 512 gigs. Hoping that I would have a lot of space to store a lot of videos. Anyways, this morning after I did over 30 minutes of content showing you guys how I was creating an in-ground garden bed. The phone stopped working, people. The phone stopped working. When I went to edit the content, nothing was there. Oh my gosh. So right now, I guess I'm just going to start where I left off. So what I did, I unboxed an order that I got from Amazon with some coco core in it, and I left 2 pieces of the coco core bricks in the in-ground garden bed that I am making, because the rain was coming and I needed it to be wet by the rain. My neighbor is getting his lawn cut, and that's the noise that you're hearing. So here's the 2 pieces of cocoa core, guys, that I left here for the rain to deal with it, because I wanted to add it to this part of the garden, but I guess the rain didn't fall long enough to completely wet it. So wet them. So I'm going to use my watering jug to finish the job, and then I will just break.
I could not stand the thought of me just sitting there waiting on this dude
into this
to
section
finish
of the
cutting
garden.
my neighbor's lawn. So I decided to just go ahead and finish constructing my in-ground garden bed.
So originally, guys, I said I was going to plant some brassicas in here, but I think I am going to change my mind. But whatever I'm going to be growing in here, guys, you will be seeing it. I think I'm going to pause this video until they're done cutting next door, because this is so distracting.
So because the rain was on and off for a few days now, I was very eager to complete this in-ground bed, so I just went ahead and did what I had to do.
So this is now my new in-ground garden bed. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. And what do you think I will be planting in this raised bed? Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon in another video. Ciao.